Sai Ram one and all. So in the previous session, we discussed about the sacrifice of whom? Bhagat Singh. Correct? Now, which incident brought a total change in Bhagat Singh's life? Now answer me. What's the answer? Yes. That is the brutal attack by the police on veteran freedom fighter, that is Lala Lajpat Rai. So what was the result of that attack? When did Lala Lajpat Rai die? Correct? The result was the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. So when did he die? He died on November 17, 1928, where? In Lahore. Correct? Yes. So how did it influence Bhagat Singh? It made him take a challenge. He decided to take revenge on the person who was responsible for death of Lala Lajpat Rai. Who was responsible? That is Scott. Correct? But whom did he shoot? He shot down Deputy Assistant Superintendent, that is Saunders. Correct? Yeah. Then what did he do? He threw bombs in the Central Assembly Hall while the assembly was in session. How did it influence the Indians? It made them get up. What are they doing? They are in a deep slumber. So Bhagat Singh was successful in creating awareness in the minds of the people of India. Till then they were unaware of it. Aware, unaware, opposite. So what was the result? He showed aggressive behavior in all the matters. He was imprisoned. He was tried by the British court. Correct? Did it affect him? No. It did not affect him much. Now he is in jail. He decided to inspire others. How did he inspire? Yes. What is the answer? Through the letters. He wrote letters to his brother, his friends. Correct? From where? From the jail cell. Am I right? This is the ideal. This is the inspiration. This is the strong-mindedness. Correct? Now come to the next part. See the first letter. Letter 1. Written by Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh's last letter to Batukweshwar Dutt. Central Jail, Lahore. He is in the cell, prison cell. Dear brother, he writes, dear brother. Now, 7th paragraph, page number 124. I'll read the paragraph. The judgment has been delivered. I am condemned to death. In these cells, besides myself, there are many other prisoners who are waiting to be hanged. The only prayer of these people is that somehow or other they must escape the noose. Perhaps I am the only man amongst them who is anxiously waiting for the day when I will be fortunate enough to embrace the gallows for my ideal. I will climb the gallows gladly and show to the world as how bravely the revolutionaries can sacrifice themselves for the cause of the nation. This is the first part. C is firm decision, firm determination. The judgment has been delivered. He writes to Batukeshwar Dutt, what is deliver? Deliver means give. Delivered, given, has been delivered. So what is the voice of that sentence? The judgment has been delivered. Passive voice. No subject. Subject is not mentioned there. We should imagine. So the judgment has been delivered by whom? By the British. So what is the active voice of that sentence? The British court, singular, so has, the British court has delivered what? The judgment. It is active voice. Correct? The British court has delivered the judgment. The judgment has been delivered by the British court. Given by the British court. What is the judgment? I am condemned to death. Condemn meaning is given there. Sentenced to punishment. To pronounce a judicial sentence. Condemn means to pronounce a judicial sentence. What is a sentence? It is not a group of words. Sentence means here punishment. ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಗುರಿ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ಡ್ ಟು ಡೆತ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅ ಡೆತ್ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್, cell means a small room in a prison where the prisoner is held, where the criminal is kept or held. Kone. So in these cells, besides myself, I am one of the prisoners. Besides means in addition to. You know the meaning? Beside, by the side of, besides, in addition to, besides myself, in addition to myself, there are many other prisoners. There are many in number who are waiting to be hanged. They were also given death punishment. They are in waiting list. Waiting to be hanged. Hang means give a death punishment. ಅವರು ಸಹ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್? ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ನೌನ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಎಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ alone. The only prayer of these people is that somehow or other they must escape the noose. They had to escape the noose. Anyhow they should escape from the jail, escape the noose. Noose means kannadalli kunike. Noose means knot around the neck. Knot around the neck means ಯಾವುದು? ನೇಣುಗಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಕುಣಿಕೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ದ ನೋಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಡೈ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಡಿಸೈರ್ ಟು ಲಿವ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ದ ನೋಸ್. ಪರ್ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಎಮಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ನಾನೊಬ್ಬನೇ, adjective only. I am the only man among them who is anxiously, who is curiously, adverb. Anxious adjective, anxious wait noun, anxious adjective, anxiously adverb. So how was he waiting? He was waiting anxiously. ಆತುರದಿಂದ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? waiting for the day. Which day he was waiting for? He was waiting for the day when I will be fortunate enough to embrace the gallows for my ideal. I will be fortunate. Fortune, luck. Fortunate, lucky. Fortunate means lucky. I am lucky. I consider it is my fortune. I consider it is my fate. Correct? Fortunate enough to embrace means hug. ತಬ್ಬಿಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು? Embrace the gallows. What is a gallows? Is it given there meaning? See that? Gallows? No. Then what is gallows? Gallows for my ideal. What is a gallows? It is a wooden structure used for a criminal to hang him. Correct? So, for the gallows for my ideal. A wooden frame or structure, wooden structure used to execute whom? Criminals. Execute criminals. How? By hanging. ಎಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ನೇಣುಗಂಬ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Embrace the gallows. I am ready to embrace, hug the gallows. Why? For my ideal. What is an ideal? A standard of perfection. Ideal. ನನ್ನ ಗುರಿ, ನನ್ನ ಉದ್ದೇಶ, ನನ್ನ ಆದರ್ಶ. Correct? Ideal or objective or intention or a perfect standard. A perfect standard. Intention. It's my intention. It's a standard. Standard of perfection. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಸಾಯ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ? ನನ್ನ ಆದರ್ಶಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. I will climb the gallows. I will climb the gallows. Frame a question to get the underlined word as answer. So gallows, it takes the question word what. Next comes the helping verb, this one. What will I, subject ಬರಬೇಕು, or you can say you. If I ask you, what is your answer? You becomes I. So here, what will I or you? What will you climb? You will climb the gallows. You will climb the gallows. I will climb the gallows. I am ready to climb the gallows. I will climb the gallows. How? Gladly. How will you climb the gallows? I will climb the gallows gladly. There is no sorrow. I have no sorrow. I have no sad feeling. I am interested to climb the gallows. I am ready to die. Why? For the sake of the nation. Gallows, gladly, glad opposite, sad. And by climbing the gallows, I will show to the world as to how bravely the revolutionaries can sacrifice themselves for the sake of for the cause of the nation. So what will he prove? What will he show to the world? By climbing the gallows, he could prove that the revolutionaries can sacrifice their life for the sake of the nation. So which one comes first for them? Nation comes first for. Then their life. Correct? This is proved. I think he got. Now come to the next part. 8th paragraph. I am condemned to death, but you are sentenced to transportation for life. You will live, and while living, you will have to show to the world that the revolutionaries not only die for their ideals, but can face every calamity. Death should not be a means to escape the worldly difficulties. Those revolutionaries who have by chance escaped the gallows should live and show to the world that they can not only embrace the gallows for the ideals, but also bear the worst type of tortures in the dark, dingy prison cells. See how he inspired others. I am condemned to death. I am punished to death. I am given punishment, death punishment by the British court. ದೋಷಾರೋಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಗುರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಪನಿಷ್ಡ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ to transportation for life. What is transportation? Meaning is given there, the act of sending criminals to a place that is far away as a form of punishment. Sending the criminals to far away place, why? As a ಗಡಿಪಾರು ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. You are sentenced to transportation for life. You are being sent by them to far off land as a punishment. You will live. I think you will live. New Jewish theory. While living, while you live, while living, while you leading a life, you will have to show. What should you do? You should show. You will have to show. You must show to the world what? That revolutionaries not only die for their ideals, but can face every calamity. Not only, but also. See the conjunction. It is a coordinating conjunction. Joining word. Not only, but also. Now frame a sentence. Frame a sentence using this one, not only but also. He plays not only cricket but also what? Add. Okay? One more. Not only but also. ಅದು ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನು. Not only die for their ideals, by living you should prove that revolutionaries not only die for their ideals, ಆದರ್ಶಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸಾಯುವುದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು, but can face means face verb, deal with, but can face what? Or confront. Accept a difficult situation. Face is a verb. If it is a noun, The word face can be used both as noun and verb. If it is a verb, deal with, confront, or accept a difficult situation. I faced many troubles in my life. How? Boldly. Verb. Face is the index of mind. Noun. Correct? Verb and noun. ನಿಮಗಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ. But can indicates ability. Their ability, they are able to face, accept the challenge, accept the situation, accept the difficulties, face every calamity. Calamity means vipattu, calamity means apattu, calamity means disaster, calamity means catastrophe, calamity means tragedy. They are ready to face the tragedy, they are ready to face the danger, calamity. Death should not be a means to escape the worldly difficulty. Death should not be a means to escape the worldly difficulties. So how to face worldly difficulties? By dying. No, it should not be a means. Correct? We should not consider, we should not die when we face difficulties. It is not the end. ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎದುರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸಾಯುವುದಲ್ಲ, ಅದೊಂದು ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ನಿವಾರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನವ. ಡೆತ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ದಾರಿ ಟು ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್. ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೆಜರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್. Correct? Then those revolutionaries who have by chance escaped the gallows should live. Those who escaped from the gallows should live. Those who escaped from death punishment should live. And show to the world that they cannot not only embrace the gallows, they are ready to embrace the gallows. Why? For the ideals, for their intention, for their standards, for their perfection, for their ideals. But also bear. What? Bear means verb, tolerate, endure, or put up with. They are ready to tolerate. What? But also bear, but also tolerate. What? The worst type. Bad, worst. Superlative degree. Worst type, adjective. Type of tortures in the dark, dingy prison cells. What is dingy? Opposite clean. Opposite bright. Dark, dingy means clean, dirty, unclean, dirty, dark, and dirty. So where were the prisoners kept? The prisoners were kept in the dark cells. They were not given enough to eat. They were not given enough light to see. They were not given enough what? The facilities. Why? Because it is a punishment for them. Smelly room, dark room, dirty room, unclean room. But it should not deter them. They are ready to live there and prove that revolutionaries can tolerate every torture of the British. This should be. So how do you feel? How do we feel by reading this letter? We get inspiration. Correct? It instills inspiration, encouragement. We get encouragement. Why? Because they are suffering for the sake of the nation. Nation is great. Nation comes first. Correct? India comes first, not the person. Then, I think he got. Then, Jai Hind, yours, Bhagat Singh. It was a letter written to Batukeshwar Dutt. I think you got. Now read the 7th paragraph and 8th paragraph silently. Okay? Now come to the question. Who delivered the judgment? Yes, the British court. Correct? Then, what was the only prayer of the prisoners who were in the prison? Second question. Now come to the third question. What is transportation for life meant? Correct? These are the three questions. Now come to the next textual questions. What was the only prayer of the people who were with Bhagat Singh? What was the only prayer? The only prayer of the people. What is that? It's given there. Yeah, somehow. Correct? Or other, they must escape the noose. Correct? Next, second question. What do you mean by phrase transportation for life? Means, transportation for life means the act of sending criminals to a place that is far away as a form of punishment. Third question. What kind of punishment does Bhagat Singh talk about? Bhagat Singh talks about death punishment in one of the paragraphs. Correct? Then, transportation for life means sending the criminals away or to a distant place as a form of punishment. Correct? The prisoners are ready to endure or tolerate the worst type of tortures. They are ready to die for the sake of the nation. So what expectations did Bhagat Singh have from the people who escaped the gallows? The people who have escaped the gallows should live and show to the world that they can not only embrace the gallows for the ideals but also bear the worst type of tortures in the dark, dingy prison cells. I think you understood. Correct? Write down the notes in a notebook. Okay? Sai Ram.